Welcome to physics class. Today we will do exercises. First question. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then the ratio of R by R dash is resistance of each one of the 5 parts R by 5. They are connected in parallel combination. So equivalent resistance can be calculated as 1 upon R dash 1 upon R by 5 plus 1 upon R by 5 plus 1 upon R by 5. It can be written as 5 upon R, 5 upon R, 5 upon R, 5 upon R. It will be 25 upon R. So R upon R dash will be 25. According to question, this is option D. So D option is correct. Second MCQ. Which of the following terms does not represent electric power in a circuit? I square R, IR square, VI, V square R. Here option B is correct. Obviously, IR square does not represent electric power in a circuit. Third question. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. Then it is operated on 110 volt. The power consumed will be potential difference 220 volt power 100 watt. Suppose resistance R. As we know, P equal to V square upon R. R can be calculated as V square upon P. Let us fill the value. Potential difference 220 square power 100. R is equal to 484.00 upon 100. Answer is 484. This is resistance, that's why ohm. Now the bulb is operated at 110 volt. So R is 484 ohm. Potential difference 110 volt. We have to calculate power. P equal to V square upon R. That is fill the value 110 square upon 484 upon 484, which is 00 upon 484. When we solve this, answer is 25 watt. So power is 25 watt, and according to question, D option is correct. Question 4. Two conducting wires of the same material and of equal lengths and equal diameters are first connected in series and then parallel in the circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination would be, let us calculate or understand. In series combination, equivalent resistance can be calculated as Rs equal to R plus R, which is 2R. When they are connected in parallel combination, equivalent resistance can be calculated as 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. In turn, which will be 2 upon R. When we calculate Rp, then it will be equal to R by 2. In series, it is 2R. In parallel, equivalent resistance is R by 2. Power in series means heat produced in series can be calculated as PS equal to V square upon RS, and in parallel it can be calculated as V square upon RP. Now we have to find out the value of power in series combination to that of power in parallel combination. In series it is V square upon RS. In parallel it is V square upon RP. They will cancel out and it will become equal to RP upon RS. When we fill the value RP, that is R by 2, and in series it is 2R, means it can be written as R by 2 into 2R. In turn, which is R by 2 to the 4R. 1 upon 4. This is the ratio of power in series, then power in parallel. Now, PS ratio PP, it will be 1 ratio 4. In turn, D option is correct. Question 5. How is voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? Voltmeter is a device used to measure the potential difference across the ends of a resistor or a conductor. Hence, voltmeter is connected in parallel to the resistor. Thanks for watching.